Welcome back everyone, thanks for watching. In this video we're going to be going over how and why dividend investing can be so addictive. To me, dividend investing is so addictive because every time you put money into your portfolio, you are giving yourself a future raise, building up your supply of never-ending passive income. Another thing that makes dividend investing fun is that every time you put money in, that's one less day you'll have to work, and man does that feel good. If that's not a reason enough to invest in dividends, I don't know what will be. With the dividend portfolio, your whole life can come down to a set amount of money for you to be financially free. First, you need to find out where you want to put your money. Do you want to build a portfolio or look into ETFs? Once you know where you want to put your money, then find your average dividend yield. Then you're all set. All you need to do now is find out how much money you want to make per year. Type that into your calculator and divide that by the yield percent. And that will tell you exactly how many dollars you need invested to retire, making your desired amount of money per year. Okay, let's do an example. So if you wanted to make $50,000 per year, and if you had a 3.5% dividend yield, you do 50,000 divided by 3.5%, and it's going to tell you need $1,428,571 to be able to be financially free from dividends at a 3.5% dividend yield. Now you can tweak that and find out what your scenario is. Say you wanted to make $20,000 per year and you had a 3.5% dividend yield. You'd need $571,428. It really depends on your end goal. Let's say you wanted to make $50,000 a year and you had a 5.5% dividend yield. Well, then you'd only need $909,000 instead of $1.4 million. So you can see how everything comes down to your number. So let's see what my number is. Right now my goal is to make $12,000 per year, and I have about a 3.5% dividend yield. Assuming you want to retire today with a 3.5% dividend yield needing $12,000 a year, you'd need to have $342,857 invested today into my portfolio to be able to retire. Once you know that, the grind is on. Nothing left to it but to do it. So get started if you haven't already. It's never too late to start investing in yourself and your future. Here's my portfolio. I show my profit and losses every single week. The $21,600 portfolio, for the year we're at $577, which is about 3.83%, and we've gained $125 from dividend income. So I can give you a quick overview of a roughly $22,000 portfolio. Within the first 4 months of the year, we've made $125 like we showed. If we want to see the dividends, we can see we've made $16.52 from Altria, $14 from Verizon, $12 from AT&T, $7 from Kimberly-Clark, $7 from SCHD, $7 from JP Morgan, $6 from Coke, $6 from Broadcom, $6 from Home Depot, $5.50 from Realty, $5.50 from General Mills. I'm obviously rounding a little bit. $5.50 from Merck & Co., $5.20 from APD, $4.30 from SPHD, $4 from Union Pacific, $3.90 from Pepsi, $3.40 from McDonald's, $2.70 from Walgreens, $1.40 from Johnson & Johnson, and $1.20 from Target. I fund this portfolio every week, constantly putting money into it whether the market is up or down. Some weeks the portfolio will be up and some weeks it will be down, but I know over time our portfolio will go up and to the right. So if you want to follow along with a real portfolio and see how things play out over years of time, I will be doing weekly portfolio updates every Friday morning, so subscribe if you haven't already. My goal with this portfolio is to become financially free from dividends, hence the name Financial Freedom from Dividends. And I will stop at nothing until I achieve it. Dividend investing makes it fun to invest. It allows you to get excited no matter the amount you are investing. You can take and run the numbers and figure out how much a single deposit added to your yearly dividend income, how much it added to your monthly income, and so on. Because every dollar invested is working for you, and soon if you keep on, more than just your dollars will be working for you, and that is known as the Dividend Snowball. The Dividend Snowball is when you're adding money to your portfolio and you also have the drip feature enabled and you're reinvesting all of your dividends. This allows the portfolio gains to snowball, getting bigger and bigger as your purchases buy shares and your dividends being reinvested by shares, which buy more dividend paying stocks, which pay more dividends, and so on. It's really a beautiful thing. I hope this video helped you learn a little bit about dividend investing and how it can be advantageous to all people in all ages. If you are not investing, you should keep researching like you're doing right now. Even if dividend investing isn't for you, there are a lot more markets out there, but at the end of the day, you need to find a way to let your money make more money for you. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, maybe go check out some other videos on this channel. Hit the like button, sub, and share, and I'll see you guys this Friday for the portfolio update video. Peace.